All right, guys, hope all is well. I am just going to do a video about what I'm looking for the market so far. So we do have a few things that have happened today, which have been really nice. I'm just going to talk about them. So first of all, um, Euro JPY super clean. Still waiting for price to come up and take out this high. We literally almost came out and did that today. But I feel like a retracement for then long is what is on the cards, honestly. So looking for anywhere kind of down here to start looking to buy. Still was a nice potential short for today. So we had this zone in here, which I was looking at as a potential for reactions from. We didn't, we just dumped through it. And then we created this 30-minute fair value gap, or it was actually even a 15-minute fair value gap, which is right at 8:30, which is London Open. So you can see price came into this zone on a higher time frame, 30-minute. You can see we didn't actually close 50%. That was really, really nice. And from there, we did kind of just trickle on over. I did get a super small entry, basically where my original entry was. And it was, we had this break structure pullback into this zone. That was really, really nice. That one's a 1 to 13 still running. Obviously, I didn't risk 1% when I'm in here. Let's go back. So all I'm really waiting for now is just see price continue with this downfall into said regions down here. I was going to look for a buy from this zone, which is still valid. But I do want to wait and see just for a little bit more confirmation what happens over Asia Session and then going into London. Um, UK oil did briefly mention this one, waiting for this high to get taken out. We did come in, we tagged in earlier today at New York Open, we tagged. Um, Came down, almost took us out, but what we did do, we just kind of came into this zone if you want to refine it a bit more. And now we are kind of slowly looking like we want to push. We have a lot of liquidity all resting in here, which is nice to see. We have that trend line of liquidity here, just waiting for that pullback and then the continuations along. So hopefully maybe going into London, we could see some sort of move, which could be a nice power play. Gold, again, I was looking for this 30-minute fair value gap to get closed, and then looking for the rollover on the shorts. You can see coming nicely up into our VWAP at the open. So earlier today, I did have a couple trades on here that were really nice and really clean. We had price come all the way down into our last piece of demand, which is down here. And then from that point, price then started to push back up. Now, I was with the anticipation that I did want to see a reversal back into this high time from 30-minute, but I only just had this point just as a target, and you can see we hit that really, really nice. So first one, as price was starting to kick and push back up. We had a fair value gap which didn't quite get closed on the push up, and then price started riding up. And then this supply or demand was holding, and then this one was holding. So I caught an entry in here. Price then give us a shift. We had a breaker structure, and we also have this fair value gap in here. You can see price come in, we tested, and then we kind of did start to move. We then came all the way back down, just testing that area one more time, just took out that low, or just took it out, and then we eventually carried on with the continuations. I was looking for another trade. We had a break structure looking for a pullback into that zone. You can see fair value gap, or we have that 1 minute demand zone, which got tested really nice, and then we just came up and hit target. So that was really nice to see for today, but I am also still looking primarily for this 30-minute to or 30-minute hourly to get met. This is at London Open, so this is telling me there's a lot of high volume within this particular area. Um, I'm still looking for that. I also am looking to maybe see if price is going to give us some sort of reaction. If not, what I would maybe like to see is price comes down here, we fill, we test, price pushes up, we shift, break above this. This is Asian high, pull back into our fair value gap, and then push higher. That could be a scenario, but so far we are bearish and we are pushing lower. So yeah, let's kind of see what happens with these two pairs. UK 100 didn't do well, did do what I expected. It came down to this zone, but I thought we were gonna have a run. We didn't get that. That's fine. We just died off. There wasn't really anything too exciting to get in on here, if I'm going to be honest with you. And Euro NZD, I was just looking at this and there was nothing crazy. So yeah, that's it. If you guys have got any questions, please let me know. Feel free to fire away and I will help everyone as quickly as I can. All right, guys. Bye bye.